Welcome YouTube. So today we're gonna see what happens if you put some tape on the tires of a Traxxas Titan. But we got the front tires gripping, the back tires sliding. Let's see what's gonna happen. I'm tearing off half of the tape on the wheels because the car is absolutely uncontrollable. Can't ever control it. That's how uncontrollable it is. It's absolutely a monster, basically. So that's all I could say about this thing. It just goes. Okay, that's the broken bumper. That's always what it does.